Remember, it's semi-only now, onward. Semi-only. Right, chap. Just remember, it's semi-only now. Yeah.
This is out of battery.
Yeah, I don't actually carry the batteries for them. Go see one of you. We'll go and respawn, and he might be able to do one.
Okay. Thank you.
He should have a spare gun there. He should have a spare gun as well. Okay. Dead player coming out. Let him out. Go for it, go on. Go on, mate. You need to get close with that gun. You won't get range like these ones. I'm a marshal, don't shoot me! Be careful, don't...
I hit him, he doesn't put his hand up. The guy behind the tree.
Which one there? That guy there?
The tree, yeah. I hit him with the pistol about 3 times.
Yeah. Yeah. Dead player coming out.
That's it. Come on.
Dead player coming out.
Where's that propane tank? Eyes on.
Make sure you're looking down that gun, fella.
That's a hit.
Don't poke your gun up like that.
Dead player.
Unlucky, buddy. Yeah, he's dead.
That way. Hey, make sure your hands up, mate.
Dead player walking.
Come on, keep pushing.
Let's go, guys.
Come on, you're holding respawn up.
No point killing people.
This is airsoft, not real life, so it don't hurt as much. It's airsoft. Go running, shout airsoft, airsoft. Kill people for fun. And don't be legal out to shoot people and get away with it. Push! Respawn's just over there, chaps. Respawn's there. Push! Go on! Push! Go! Go! Respawn just over there, chaps. Just over there. 15 minutes left! Come on! Push! You gotta do this! Do it! Do it now! You got unlimited lives!
Not the lives I'm worried about.
You got under 15 minutes left, so push!
I've only got that much left.
Bring the canister forward.
Come on, push! You got unlimited lives, so you can be pushing all the time! The longer you stay back here, the longer the respawn stays up here, so move! You want to get the respawn there out to the front end? Move forward more!
found that one for me.
Alright, cheers, yeah, thanks a lot. A place just handed me an AK magazine, so I've got an AK magazine, somebody lost an AK magazine, I've got it. Yeah, I've just stuck it in my pocket. Come on, you got unlimited lives and move!
Come on, everybody! Your squad is moving.
Move!
So should you! Get in there!
Get in there! You got unlimited lives! It don't hurt! Stings a bit, so move! Alright guys, you need to keep moving forward because you don't have the range of those ones, so you need to keep pushing forward. It stings a little bit, but that's airsoft. So keep pushing. Be careful of the boundary. This tape is the boundary, so be careful. And no shooting through the boundary either. Move, 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 move. I know maybe sound like I'm being arse, so not horrible, but you've got to keep pushing. You want to win it, you've got to push.
How long have we got left?
You got under about 13 minutes left. Yeah, you got to cross this map and into village.
Oh, we could do it.
I'm trying to get some rental players on the right hand side of the marshal near the boundary side on this. I'm trying to give them a customer to move forward. Go on, keep, be careful, don't cross the tape line, that's the boundary.
You go along the side, boys, but don't cross it.
You keep push. I know it sounds thing, but in customer you've got to do it, so keep pushing.
Push, boys, come on!
Go on, you ain't getting any range without those guns, you've got to get a lot nearer to shoot people with those rental guns. Keep going. Further stay back here, further respawn won't move forward. Always be careful of your steps when you go along there. Keep pushing forward. Careful of the tape. This chap, move this side. I can keep. Keep going, come on. Come on, keep moving forward. Come on. Run. You got unlimited lives. You don't run, I'll start shooting you myself!
I'll take you.
Really?
Oh.
Marshall hit that way.
I feel so honoured.
Push! Watch that guy, watch him, give him support!
Go ahead, mate! Well done! Well done! Right, we've got those two now, push!
Push, come on!
Let's go again!
Come on, keep pushing forward, keep moving forward! Keep running, get exercise! And be able to sleep better tonight as well.
Right, where are you going back to?
Respawn should be just over there. There it is, just over there. Respawn is just over there.
Come on, guys, spread yourself out. The whole mound over there. Yeah!
Come on, push! Dead player coming out, let him go!
He had every chance to kill me. I had no idea he was there.
Dead player coming out, let him out! Right, well done, kid. Go.
Come on!
Come, move forward!
Guys, I just walked to here! Come on!
Come on, attackers, defenders are beating you! Move! Marshall there! Defenders, hold them up as long as you possibly can, so you can win this. Well, you guys, you got to win this game. Got 8 minutes left. You can probably hear me. I'm keeping the cars with the taxi. Move, move. Go on, attackers! You can do this! Push! Get me out of the way. If I'm in your way, shoot me in the back.